Hello students, I am Nishu Arora, your science teacher. Today I will be talking about chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. This is part 2. In the earlier topic I discussed about adolescence, puberty and the changes during adolescence. Now in this topic we will be discussing about endocrine system, glands and their hormones. Students, you are aware that you are in those stage where you find yourself in the irritating mood sometimes. You might get upset with the people with no reason. On some day, you might realize that you have a smaller built up than your classmates. In all these cases, your hormones are to be blamed. Hormones in the human body not only affect your physiology but also your behavior. So, what are these hormones? These are the chemicals which are secreted from endocrine glands. Now, these are the endocrine glands. These contain a secretion called hormone, and our body has several endocrine glands which are located in the different parts of body. As you can see, we have pituitary, pineal gland, testicle, ovary, pancreas, thyroid, thymus and adrenal gland. So today we will be discussing about some of these. Now the first gland is pituitary gland. Now this gland is located in the brain, and this is called as master gland because it controls the processes in our body. It produces growth hormone which regulates growth, metabolism and body composition. Metabolism means breakdown of carbohydrates and proteins. Now the next gland is thyroid gland. Now this gland is located in the neck area, our throat area. So it produces a very vital hormone called thyroxine, which plays a major role in metabolism, growth and development of the human body. It helps to regulate many body functions. It releases the hormones directly in the bloodstream. In fact, all the endocrine glands, these are ductless glands. They release their secretion into circulatory system. Now the third gland is adrenal gland. Now this gland is located above kidney. As you can see in the figure, we have two adrenal glands and its role is to maintain the stress. This hormone controls the flow of blood to the brain. It also regulates salt metabolism. Now, the hormone produced by adrenal glands is adrenaline. This is a fight or a flight hormone that allows you to battle when you are in danger. Sometimes you are depressed, you are nervous. So this hormone is released in large quantity at that time from the adrenal glands, and slowly it manages your stress level. Thank you. I hope you have understood